Dear students, this is the 7th video of the chapter Print Culture and the Modern World. And today we are going to discuss the subtopic, the 19th century. From the beginning we are discussing that how print started its journey. And we came to know that it started its journey from the China. Later on it reached Europe, and from Europe it spread to different parts of the world. Now here we are discussing that how it reached Europe and how it created a new society in the European culture. Here we are going to discuss about the 19th century. So far we discussed about the print revolution, and we came to know that how print created revolutionary society, and it created a new class of readers also. Now in this video we will discuss that how it further expanded itself, how it reached to maximum readers. So we are going to discuss that in the 19th century it focused mainly on three different readers. Before 19th century different readers were there, but in 19th century or in the late 19th century main focus was the children, women and worker. So the three important focus group was there which were targeted in the 19th century by the print culture. When primary education became compulsory in the late 19th century, the print got chance to spread itself among the children, and particularly among the school children. It gained popularity very soon among the schools. Over the time, many writers, many publishers came and they developed various printing press in order to print books that was mainly meant for small children. In year 1857, books was published for children, or you can say in other words, the book was mainly published to target the children. It was the first printing press in 1857 that was published in Europe. After that, Grimm brothers from Germany that took the responsibility to publish the fairy tales in several books. So this is how school children as well as small children were targeted. So here we can understand that in the late 19th century, book expanded and it included children also. After that, various folk tales, fairy tales were included. They became the subject matter of the books, and some content that was not suitable for reading for children, it was also excluded. So addition or subtraction, I mean to say editing was there in that period. So first of all, the print got developed with the view of children. Now, next category was the woman. Now in that group, we found that several novelists came forward, like Jane Austen, Bronte sisters. So in the late 19th century, many new readers came up, and not only readers, writers also came forward to publish their books in the market. So here we can easily see now the women class also became target of the print culture, and they became part of the print culture also. We can easily understand that Jane Austen, she wrote about the modern woman. She wrote about the role of modern women in the society. She challenged the old custom of society, old rituals of society, and she gave new look through the print only. Similarly, many writers came forward to support women group. So this is how the print culture after the late 19th century, it became popular among the women class also. So first target of print culture was the children, thereafter women, and third we are going to discuss about the third one. Now, the third sensitive group, the worker group. Before the 19th century, the workers were completely engaged in long hours of work. They were not getting time to read books, to think about books. But after the late 19th century, they also got the chance, because now the working hour get reduced and they started going to libraries in order to purchase the books there. And this is how the journey started. White collar workers as well as blue collar workers both got benefited from the libraries, and they read many books by lending from the libraries. So this enhanced their knowledge, as well as they came across the different culture through the medium of books only. They understood their rights, they understood their position in the society through the books only. And they got the power to raise their voice with the help of books only. So this is how the worker class got knowledge, power, as well as capability with the help of book or printed material. So we came to understand that in the late 19th century, the expansion was going on and the print culture was expanding very fast, and it also included many new readers which were earlier excluded. Now, after that, we'll have to understand that further innovation also took place. In the upcoming time, further innovation was going on. Like we can understand various metal prints came. Various metals print came, and it could produce 8,000, 10,000 number of sheets at one time. Thereafter, offset printing also came into existence, and it was the color printing. In order to make the books more interesting, serialized books also came to attract different readers. Now serialized novels, they got chance to get published, and they started attracting the new type of readers. Now novels were coming in, or the printed materials were coming in serials, and it was termed as serialized novel. So this is how further innovation took place in the matter of print. So this is how the print culture became more popular among the European society. In 16th, 17th century, we already discussed that what was the position of print in European society. And now we are discussing about the 19th century. So what was the new look of print culture? What type of changes took place in print culture in the 19th century? So we came to understand that new groups emerged as readers as well as writers in the European society. Apart from that, further innovation, technological advancement also took place that accelerated the volume of books. And in order to attract more and more readers, the concept was also changed. Now, serialized books came into existence, and it was going to target, it was coming in different volumes so that interest could remain the same. Now, the novels, the printed material was coming in serial. Like we are watching daily soaps on the news, on the television, that one episode is over, after that next episode will come. So interest will remain for the next episode. See, similarly, the book also, the printed material also devised the same method to come in different volumes. And this is how the print became more and more popular in European society. Thank you.